Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check your steps on the Google Fit application, which is a useful measure of how much you are moving around. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now click on the third icon down below, tap on Activity, scroll down to the Data section and tap on Steps. Here you can see a chart which is really useful in order to keep track of your daily activities and your movements. So you can see your steps, as you can see down below. Indicated by today's date. You can also add steps by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. First you need to select the title, activity, which is obviously walking or jogging. Then you need to add the starting time, the duration of your session, the distance, which then will so this system will count your steps that you have took during your session by considering all the data that you have added to this activity. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.